These sliding interior shutters add character and privacy when needed. Begin building them by cutting pieces of 1x6 V-groove, tongue and groove paneling to the height you want the finished shutter to be. On the table saw, remove the tongue side of one piece before you dry fit several of them together. The assembled panels should be wider than the needed width for finished shutter. Clamp the boards together temporarily before measuring for the finished width. This will allow you to accurately identify where to cut the edge board so you can rip it to size on the table saw. Now apply wood glue to the tongue and groove of the pieces before you clamp them all together. Make sure the ends of the boards are flush with each other. The face frame for the shutter is made from clear primed 1x6, which is ripped down to 2.5 inch wide pieces. These pieces are cut with a 45-degree miter at each end so they match the outer dimensions of the shutter. Starting with the top and bottom horizontal pieces, use wood glue and an 1.25 inch finish nail to attach the face frame around the perimeter of the shutter. Be sure that the outer edges are flush with the V-groove material. Next, prime the raw wood before caulking any gaps or cracks and putty in the nail holes. Once the shutters are painted, you can cut the groove guide into the bottom of each shutter and install the sliding door hardware based on the hardware manufacturer's instructions. The result is an attractive, functional treatment for an interior cased opening.